In this video, I'm going to teach you how to run an A/B test on a page in HubSpot. To do that, first head over to your actual page to open this. So go over to the content and then locate website pages. From in there, just choose the page that you want to run the A/B test. So I'll head over and choose right here this one. So here is my page. So for this, we just need to run the A or B test. And to do so, you can click onto the settings right here. You can find its feature, content slugs, and the likes. Just need to head over and then click on the run A/B test, or you can also click on the search. Search right here for run, and you can see this action for this. Click on this, and it will open right here the upgrade page UI, since this particular action is only available onto the sales tab. Choose right here the variations that you want, and then the home right here, and click on create variation. Once that's done, you can see it right there on your page, and then you can just set the test settings for traffic split, goal duration, and the likes, and then test both variants that we have right here. Once you're done and you have successfully chosen which is the most successful, just head over and publish it. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use the affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.